DZRH bilang media organization, ang pinaka-importanteng characteristic ng station para magtagal is yung credibility. Dapat ang mga mamamayan ay naniniwala sa mga binibigay na impormasyon at balita ng istasyon dahil doon ang buhay ng istasyon. Pag wala ng kredibilidad, wala ng paniniwala ang audience mo, maglalaho yung istasyon. Credibility is the most important characteristics. DZRH must continue to be an example in the broadcast industry. Dapat pinapakita natin ng tamang pag-operate ng media company dito sa ating lipunan. So I would say the role ng DZRH as the first radio station is to set an example in the industry of what a proper radio station or media station should be. We are a news organization, so we must maintain credibility, whatever platform. Nasa TV, nasa online, radyo. Importanteng committed tayo to delivering credible news, information, and entertainment. So credibility pa rin. Yun ang dadalhin natin sa lahat ng platform na present tayo. In these platforms, we intend to deliver the quality that Manila Broadcasting does, and that is commitment to delivering relevant news, information, and entertainment. Well, 85 years is a challenge for any media organization. Message ko lang sa ating mga kasamahan is maintain the brand of DZRH, that is credibility, reliability, and commitment to our craft. We don't know what technology will bring and change the landscape of the media industry, but radio as it is just a platform. But the organization, the content that we deliver, the people, maski walang AM radio, kung digital naman yun, 100 the next 15 years, so be it, but we will be there and we will be delivering the DZRH brand of news and entertainment and information. So, ang inaasahan ko pagdating ng 100th anniversary natin, ganun pa rin ang DZRH brand as a media organization.